Hello, welcome to the session on practicing, making various knots, correct loading of slings, correct and safe removal of parts, part 2. Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to tie 6 types of knots used in material handling using manila rope. State the general inspection points for using ropes. The tools and materials required to bind rope ends are manila rope, wire rope, in part 2, let's learn how to tie 6 types of knots used in material handling. First, let's prepare square or reef knot for slinging. Take 2 pieces of manila or cotton or polypropylene ropes of same diameter. Pass the ends of the ropes one above the other and bend in the opposite direction. Insert the bent ends one above the other in a similar way. Pull the ends tightly to get square or reef knot. Next, let's learn to prepare a bowline knot. Hold end A of the rope by the left hand. Form a bight and a loop thereafter by the B end. Turn and hold end A by the right hand and end B by the left hand. Now, pass end A of the rope through the loop formed by the end B and pull it tightly to form a bowline knot. Ensure that the knot is snug and secure. Next, let's learn to form clove hitch knot. Hold the rope by both the hands in a cross way. Turn round the hands to form loops in the rope. Close down the loops together to put it around a post. Finally, fasten it to the post to make a clove hitch. Next, let's practice sheep shank knot. Hold the rope by both the hand and form a loop around one end of the rope. Then, form a reverse loop around the former loop by the top end of the rope as directed by the arrows. Turn the rope around to proceed in the final formation. Turn the rope ends through the loops at the top and bottom ends to complete the sheep shank knot. Now, let's learn to tie double hitch knot. Pass end A of the rope around a post. Bring the end A under the standing part of the rope. Bring the end up and pass it through the eye of the formed loop. Put it tight to complete a half hitch. Take the end A of the rope under the standing part again. Then, tie another half hitch and put it tight. Now, let's learn to tie a slip knot. Take a bight of rope. Wrap the tag end around the bight. Wrap it once again. Hold the loop and pull the end to tighten to make a slip knot. Here is the general instructions points for using ropes. Make sure to inspect ropes frequently for damage. Surface inspection will reveal broken or worn out strands. For interior inspection, twist the rope in the opposite direction to the way it was spun. While using ropes with sharp edges, use soft pads such as packer and wooden blocks to protect the sling and the edges of the load. Let's recap the key points discussed. Procedure to practice square or reef knot, bowline knot, and clove hitch knot. Procedure to practice sheep shank knot, double hitch knot, and slip knot. This brings us to the end of the session. Hope you have gained a good understanding about practicing various knots, correct loading of slings, correct and safe removal of parts, Part 2. See you in the next session.